You're sitting in a crowded airport, dealing with delays, noise, and expensive food, when suddenly you see travelers sliding into quiet lounges using their Priority Pass membership. Comfortable chairs, free drinks, fast Wi-Fi, and calm spaces, it looks like a completely different world. You pause and wonder, is Priority Pass actually worth it in 2026? Or is it just another overpriced travel luxury that sounds better than it performs? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down travel memberships, digital subscriptions, and lifestyle services so you spend money wisely. Today we're reviewing Priority Pass to see if it remains a must-have travel perk or if it's losing value this year. I spent over 2 months testing Priority Pass during real travel, 5 airports in North America, 2 in Europe, and 1 in Asia. I used lounges during peak hours, checked their partner restaurants, tested guest access, compared wait times, and also tried the digital card through the Priority Pass app. I compared it with lounge access included in premium credit cards like Amex Platinum, Capital One Venture X, and Chase Sapphire Reserve. I also reviewed frequent traveler reports and dozens of user complaints to see what the experience is like beyond my own trips. After all this testing, I now have a clear understanding of where Priority Pass shines and where it struggles today. Priority Pass markets itself as the world's leading airport lounge network, offering access to 1,500+ lounges worldwide, complimentary food, snacks, and drinks, quiet spaces for work and relaxation, spa, sleep pods, and premium airport experiences, digital membership for easy entry. But are these claims accurate in 2026? Do the lounges actually live up to the promise? And is the membership still worth the annual price? Step 1. Lounge access and availability. While Priority Pass lists over 1,500 lounges, availability varies heavily by airport. In major hubs like LAX, JFK, and Heathrow, I encountered signs saying "lounge at capacity" more often than expected, especially during peak travel hours. Smaller airports were far more reliable. When I did get in, the lounges provided comfortable seating, free snacks, drinks, and decent Wi-Fi. Step 2. Food and drinks quality. Some lounges offer full buffets with hot meals, others only provide cookies, yogurt, and basic coffee. Quality varies by region. In Asia and the Middle East, food options were excellent. In the US, many lounges had limited snacks and overcrowded seating. The consistency simply isn't guaranteed. Step 3. App performance and digital card. The Priority Pass app is easy to use. Digital check-in worked flawlessly at all locations. Lounge maps, opening hours, and guest rules are clearly displayed, but live capacity updates are missing, which leads to wasted trips to full lounges. Step 4. Partner restaurants. Priority Pass used to include many restaurant credits, but in recent years, several U.S. airports removed them, especially when connected to credit card-issued memberships. Where available, the restaurant credits were valuable, but this perk is shrinking. Step 5. Membership cost versus benefit. The standard plan is affordable but charges per visit. The Standard Plus and Prestige options offer better value, but only if you travel frequently. Casual travelers may not justify the annual cost unless lounges at their home airport are consistently reliable. Step 6. Reliability and restrictions. Capacity issues remain the biggest complaint among users. Guest access is also restricted in several busy locations. Some lounges also deny access during peak hours, even when members are eligible, a trend reported widely online. While the network is large, reliability depends heavily on airport traffic. So, is Priority Pass worth it in 2026? Pros: huge global lounge network, great value for frequent travelers, quiet spaces, free drinks, and Wi-Fi. Digital card works smoothly, useful for international travel. Cons: overcrowding at major airports. Food quality varies widely. Restaurant partners are disappearing in the U.S. Guest passes can be restricted. Value depends on your travel frequency. Bottom line, Priority Pass is still a strong travel perk if you fly often, especially internationally. It's excellent for business travelers or frequent vacationers who pass through airports with reliable PP lounges. But for occasional travelers or those mostly flying through crowded U.S. hubs, the value becomes uncertain. It's not a scam, but it's not the universal travel solution it used to be. If this review helped you decide whether Priority Pass fits your 2026 travel routine, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Drop a comment below. Do you use airport lounges or stick to the main terminal? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your travel, tools, and money work smarter for you.